What's up, guys? So this is going to be a quick unboxing because I didn't get much, to be honest with you. But I wanted to show some love to my buddy Cameron Farmer, who runs the Lafayette Farm Toy Show along with Jordan Austin. Cameron opened up a new online store to go with their physical location. And so, I just kind of wanted to show some love to Cameron and put an order in. So I did. And so I get the question all the time, and I'm going to just say this. I don't get paid by anybody to promote their business or anything like that. Well, that's not true. There's been a couple along the way, and I've always mentioned it when that does happen. But, Cameron, there's no money exchange here or anything like that. And it's farmerstoystore.com if you want to check him out. So, that makes another really awesome place to get farm toys. I think if you guys have watched this channel, you know I get my farm toys from several people, just depending on price and sales and what's in stock and things like that. And I just think, I just try to kind of spread the love a little bit in this hobby because we have so many awesome folks selling toys. So anyway, what I get from Mr. Cameron Farmer. Check this out. 2024 Summer Farm Toy Show, Chalmers 6060. This is a beautiful tractor, guys. They have really done a nice job on this. Now, I've never had it out of the package. We'll do a review video on this. But man, sitting here in the box, this thing's a stunner. Yeah, gosh darn, that's a nice tractor right there. That makes me excited. Are we going to see a lot more from SpecCast? Are we going to see more AC from SpecCast? I sure hope so. I don't know. But man, if they can do that, here's just kind of some information on the box. And then, of course, this is the Summer Farm Toy Show from this year, 2024, which we set up at for the first time ever. Had a great show, had a fun time. Highly recommend visiting the Summer Show. The Summer Show, it's not national. It's not as big as national. It's not even close. But it's comfortable, it's easy to get around, and there's a ton of toys. So Summer Show in Dyersville is a great time. Anyway, here's my receipt. And then I'm pretty sure I'm the last person on planet Earth to pick up one of these Carson diecast GMC Denali HDs. Man, that blue is beautiful. Boy, that's a nice truck too. I'm not even a GMC guy, but man, they do make a good looking truck. And that is certainly one of them. Wow. Anyway, we'll be doing a review of that. I'm kind of excited to get one of those out of the package. And in case you're wondering, I just picked up a couple. We got the black one too. Boy, the black paint looks good on that too. Sometimes black on model cars, model trucks, I don't know, sometimes it looks a little lifeless, but this looks really good. I like that. That's fantastic. Anyway, that's the 2022, obviously. So, well, the other one was too, duh, but anyway, pretty pumped to get my hands on those. These are our Carson diecast made by Greenlight. So, you can kind of see some information there on the back. There's a 2% Carson Blue Chase insertion rate. Wait, did I get a... Is that a chaser? Is that a chaser? Carson Blue. Surely not. Did I get a chaser? Maybe I better not open that guy up. Dang, I kind of want to open him up, though. He looks awesome. I don't know. Let me know down below. I didn't even know there were chasers. Huh. Maybe that's a different blue. I bet that's a different blue. But Carson Blue is... I don't know. Is it? Now you guys just have to let me know. Well, I'll be darned. Anyway, it's cool. Either way, I like them. They've been hyped pretty hardcore on Facebook and our Discord and things like that. Everybody seems to love them. And so to actually get my hands on one, yeah, well, I'm a big fan. Those are cool. All right, guys. I'm going to make this a quick one. Didn't want to bore you too much, but I thought a nice, cool little unboxing from Mr. Cameron Farmer and his new website, farmerstoystore.com. Would be pretty cool. So... Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. I'm kind of excited now. I think those trucks are super excited, and I love this Chalmers. All right, stay tuned, guys. Plenty more toy content coming. Got some how-to stuff, including display how-to stuff. coming up real soon. Have yourselves an awesome day, and a happy tractor hunting.